It's that welding shop. We always have those, you know, two people that think they're swole as fuck.
Can't say that.
I'm sorry, Richard. You didn't even touch your car, you saw it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh yes. Look at those tips. Oh, one hand. Oh, he's jumping. He's jumping. Yes. Yes. Hello.
All right. Here we go.
I know, right? When he breaks it. What the fuck? Dumbass. Oh, you think you're good, huh? Hey. Try one. Try one. And then climb. Are you saying you're a pussy? Hey, slap him in the back of the head when he does it. Oh shit! Dude, I don't think I got that.
Did you get it?
No, I don't think so. Dumbass.
Freaking out for you.